Jumbo! Hey! Wait. Let me get a seat for you. Oga Jumbo! It's like... Hey! Oga Jumbo! Sit. Hey! Oga Jumbo! This one you visited my shop today. Hope my friend has not committed any crime.
No. She has not done anything. Everything is okay. But have I not been visiting before?
You said before. Huh? Not now. Oga Jumbo, it's been long. It's been long you visited my shop.
No, I'm always busy. Why are you referring to your friend as like with crime instead of another incident? Is she criminal in nature?
No. Not at all. She's not. You know why I said it is because she's a new apprentice in your shop. I thought maybe she must have spoiled something. That's why you came.
See, in contrary to your fears, in few weeks of her learning, she has been performing like someone who has learned this job somewhere before now.
Is you?
Yes. In fact, that's why when you made mention of crime, I was too curious if you can remember.
Just that. The fact is... Oh, sorry. Never mind. It's nothing.
Which one is just that? The fact is, never mind. I don't really understand it. What is going on? In fact, you must tell me what is going on.
You see, Oga Jumbo, it's a secret though. You know my friend Monica. She's actually a final year mechanical engineering dropout. But Biko, please, don't tell her that I said so because she will kill me.
No wonder. I should have said it. Do you know that she's very good at the work? But come to talk of it, why are you acting this way? Is there anything wrong with she being a dropout? Is that an issue?
No. Actually, she dropped out because of the parents' death.
Oh my God.
But let it be a secret. Oh?
No, if you say so, her secret will remain her secret. It will just be her secret.
Let it be our own secret too.
No
Not just her own.
No. In fact, I'm okay now. Her secret will remain her secret. But she should, in fact, stop using this pidgin English to deceive people. She speaks pidgin English too much to customers.
She likes pidgin English. Very, very well. She likes it. Come. What's that here? 1, 2. I beg. Now who get all this clothes?
Now sister, you need so.
Where she see money buy all this cloth and this shoe and this bag? Make it no business now. Shower this girl don't begin the do. I mean, I bet yours, but you don't begin the follow.
But sister, do you know if she's actually doing a business that is giving her money?
If it's small picking truth. That's why anything she carry come, you chop her. You chop her. Any day where trouble come here, where police come here, come arrest you now. Say person thief something, I'll push you join her.
Sister,
all this cloth, I go burn her.
I know sister, you need to stop her, but she's not a thief. And I will tell her when she comes back. Please leave her things so.
Hey, come, tell her. If I come back and I meet her here, I go pack her and I go burn her. You hear me so? Because I never rob cream. I don't get power for police trouble. Look my armpit. Look my hand. Not to match. I know they bleach. I don't get power for the police trouble. You hear me so? Hey? See this one. The price still dead there. Where you see this money? The price still dead there. Hey? See price. Where you see this money? The price still dead there. I go burn them. I go burn them. You the grace. They follow me dragon. One leg there, oh. One leg there.
Philip wants to know my true color, and I will show him. And that bitch that is called Eunice, I will catch her. And when I do, I will crush her. Philip, I'm coming for you. I will suck out that charm she has on you slowly. That is after I have killed her.
Stand up!
Babe, oh my God. Good morning.
Stop it! Keep your deceitful greeting to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Look, this must stop. Oh. This has to stop. This is the last time I'll follow you to any rubbish hotel. I won't do it again. It is high time you chose between your stupid ex-girlfriend and I. I'm not going to do it again. She keeps enjoying your house while you sneak around with me in different hotels.
Babe, okay, fine. Can you just give me more time? Just be patient with me. And soon she'll be off the way, trust me.
Wait. What did you just say? Like, I don't get it. I said now. Here and now. Choose. No time, oh. No time to waste with a man you have no future with in this jet age.
Look, babe. Obviously, I choose you. And I'll choose you again and again and again. She was already there before she messed up, and you know that.
Really? So you remember? Or you know she messed up? Simple. Tell her to live your life. Tell her to leave. Because you cannot keep deceiving two grown-up women. Philip, you get mind. You have mind, oh. You have mind. You know what? I know what to do.
What do you know you want to do, babe? Like, what do you want me to even do? What? What do you want me to do? I've told you that you are the obvious choice in my life.
Then you tell her to leave and stop fooling her around.
Fine. When I get home today, I will tell her to leave, that my heart belongs to another person.
Good. Tell her to leave. Because I know she's the one you're fooling around and not me. You can't even fool me around.
Babe, but that is not how you're supposed to wake me. You're supposed to wake me with a kiss. With some good loving.
Babe, why you dey para for phone? Wetin happen? Who touch line for him? Wetin sup?
Rose, can you imagine? Philip no sleep for house last night. And it's obvious that stupid bitch when they with.
Baby, calming down. Cool your temper. Wetin sup? How you tell no? You too assume.
I know they assume anything. I know they assume anything at all. Have you forgotten na me be Joy? I have my ear on ground and my eyes in the air. My girl that works in the hotel tipped me. She said I want Eunice local girl.
Eunice. That one good, sha. But wait, oh, which Eunice did they talk about?
You don't forget. The same Eunice now. The girl that both of us nearly killed at the POS stand the last holiday.
Wait, that girl? Now you still dey hear the cap sing. I don't mean we match go the location. What be that?
Okay, you are ready. Faith, you see this money? Use it and go and pay Mary's fees. Go to their school, pay her fees, then get me the receipt.
Brother Fred, you mean you want me to pay for Mary's fees again?
You are the one encouraging Mary's nonchalant attitude. And that is not good for her at all.
Faith, Ibani. Faith. You won't throw the child with the dirty water. You will have to bring the child out from the dirty water before throwing it off. She has been saying about her interest in modeling. I just want to be sure she finishes her external exams. That's all. So go and pay her fees and bring me the receipt.
Brother, nobody's against Mary's dream of becoming a model or whatever she wants to become. The fact is, do you really believe that useless Mike can make her a model? That village champion, that deceiver.
Point of correction. I just want to be sure there is no reason for her not to say that she didn't write her exams. Her activities with Mike, it's none of my business. I already warned the both of them to stay away from each other. And of course, she wouldn't see money to be given to him anymore. So, just go and pay her fees. Bring my receipt for me.
Brother Fred, my major concern now is that you keep a close look on that girl so she will not become something else. I am not happy that I am doing this part-time study. I am not happy at all.
Faith, just go and pay her fees. Go to work, pay her fees and bring me the receipt. I'm not charge her, but I'm not them more. Just go.
Brother, so you want me to go and pay this fees again?
I want you to go and pay her fees. I won't be look where.
In the house of this school.
Where be that? Now for where?
Where are you going with my spanner? And you've not finished your work.
Okay, me no vex abeg. Your mama matter I wan rush go settle.
What's the matter you dey go settle?
Okay, na very important matter.
Very important matter. Pass this work. You know, so the owner dey come carry na.
Okay, abeg, help me apologize to the owner. May help me give
Give me my spanner.
I'll come back. Hey, come back, Oga. Let's come back. Hey, just say you come back. I dey come back.
What's wrong with this girl?
You gonna get it?
Belinda, how are you?
I'm fine, good afternoon.
What were you saying on the phone? You weren't sounding clear at all.
Yes, it's Monica. Monica has been arrested.
Monica again?
Yes.
Arrested?
Yes.
So what? What should I do?
Monica is your apprentice now. You have to help her.
Monica is my apprentice. I have to help her. Was she arrested in my shop? Your friend that was working in a vehicle that she knows that the owner needed urgently. In fact, the owner had already called that he was going to pick the vehicle. Yet, she left the vehicle, took my spanner as a weapon to go and fight. And now you're telling me she was arrested. That is not my business. In fact, Belinda, see, I think there's something you're not telling me about that girl. No, to be honest with you, there's something you're not telling me. I still suspect something is wrong with that girl.
Nothing is wrong with Monica now. I keep telling you, Monica is okay. It's just that some girls attacked Monica's sister. And she came for the sister's rescue and one of the girls arrested her.
You see what I'm saying? That is what every reasonable girl should have done. Now, instead of she to have called police to arrest the people that attacked her sister, She rather took my spanner to go and fight as a weapon. And now she's arrested. My dear, she will have to learn a lesson with this one. In fact, see, with this one, she will know that going to school, writing exams and pass is not brilliant. In fact, common sense pass book. She will learn.
Oga Jumbo, Monica is your girl, oh.
See, Belinda, I have other things. You see, the vehicles she left, I'm going to work on them.
I know.
I'm busy.
I know,
I don't want
sir.
to be arrested.
Because
The owners are coming for the car. I just have to walk now.
Oga Jumbo, you have to do something now, please, Oga Jumbo. Hey, Oga Jumbo.
Right now, please, you can't leave her there. That's not how to treat a friend.
Melinda, I don't like the way you are sounding. No. I really don't know why you are sounding like this, as if I don't care. But you know how she ridiculed me the last time I tried to help? She reminded me how I need to take care of my younger ones. That is exactly what I'm doing now. So what?
Fred, come on, it's not the same situation here and you know it.
No matter what the situation is, I'm sorry, I cannot help. I am minding my business.
Really? Really? Okay, no problem. But just know that she's going to be out today. And I know Monica too well. If you're the one there, Monica will come. Monica must come and you're doing this to her.
Belinda, why are you making me look like a bad person? Eh? You were there when she made it clear that I should leave her problems, that she will solve it herself. Eh? That I should mind my business. What else?
Fred, own up to the fact that you were asking her out the coward's way. Actually, she was waiting for you to come out plain and tell her how you feel about her. But no, you never did. Now you're making her more right than ever. If that's what you want, suit yourself. I'm off.
Okay, wait. Let's go to the police station together. No, don't come. Papa, she was the one that told me to mind my business now. Now I'm minding my business, taking care of my younger ones. You're telling me to go and bring her to the police station.
No, I won't let this slide me by. I must do something about this.
What are the talk since be that? Not what I don't tell you since be that. If I talk, you go be like say, oh, with him big nose, it's who they talk, it's who they slow person. He does like to the yarn. Eh? He go look me, go back. He go say, well, this my malu nose, I too they talk. Now, nobody talk and don't happen so. Now why you dey laugh? I go slap you now. If you try that nonsense now, I go slap you. Because anything why they talk now, it don't happen so. Police station now we don't enter and them. Because of our water now, I don't enter cell. Eh? As you see us so you know the hear word.
It's not my fault. He told me they are done. They don't have anything going on anymore.
They speak English, they bend the neck, they speak English, they bend the neck. Now where your sense reach be that? Your sense no pass your knee. That's why I tell you wetin your sense go fit contain. Which man go tell you say, hi, me and my girlfriend we dey together, we dey happy oh, so that you go follow. You no get sense, na goat. Na still me, na me still go there, go bell am where I enter sense so. Very useless person.
Please, don't call me names so. Do not call me names. After I didn't beg you to come and help me, did I beg you? I didn't beg you.
Sister Eunice.
I swear to God, this spit I don't color for my mouth. If I spit for your face or I bite you, if you don't catch rabies, I'm not Monica.
Sister, please stop.
Talk again.
Sister Eunice, why did you have to say that to her? You're just an ungrateful person. Fine, thank you. Sister, leave her. She don't have to only mouth.
If I bite you, if you don't catch rabies, maybe begin the back like dog. I know the person. I know. Touch me now. Just touch me. Touch me now. Just come and touch me.
I don't mind her. She don't have strength.
You're threatening me.
You her too deep. Don't mind her.
Go call her, come.
Sister, see.
Carry this your dada. Go call her, come with this your small nose, Dana.
Sister Eunice.
Why you jump the door like that? Eh? Why not be so like a crest?
So the modeling agency, Mary, you came. Let me quickly see my clients off, eh?
Right.
I'm
Good
coming.
evening.
I hear you.
Yeah, Mary, what was the meaning of that display?
What display? So it's not okay, right? What is going on between you and her?
What kind of stupid question is that? Oh wait, since your brother is making things difficult for you, I shouldn't give other clients attention?
You know I'm not a baby, right? This is beyond client shit. And don't use my brother as a cover. To disappoint you, my brother has approved my modeling dream.
What? Are you saying the truth? Are you serious?
Didn't I tell you I will convince him? Or do you think if I didn't convince him, he wouldn't have come for his money as he said?
Yeah, how did it happen? See, I'm happy that at least I have my baby back now. Your brother is full of troubles.
Listen to me. If I ever find out that something is going on between you and that girl, okay, your mouth cannot say what before you.
Baby, come on, she's just a client. She was even begging me to put her into baby. But I was...
For God's sake, I am not married to you. You are the one who ended this relationship and now you're throwing yourself back at me. What is wrong with you? I want to ask you a question. What even gave you the right to go and fight her? What gave you the audacity, the tenacity, the courage to go and fight her?
Philip, is this all you can say to me?
Yes. Yes. And I would say more to you. Look, I don't want to argue with you. Go in there and pack everything you have in this house and leave. You leave this house and you're living my life. Do you understand? I am so done with you.
Impossible. Philip, I am going nowhere. So after... Philip, so after giving you my body, after giving you my body, after enjoying my body, you want to throw me out? It's not possible. I go nowhere. Philip, this is our house. I'm not going anywhere.
You want to dare me, right? Huh? You want to dare me, right? In my own house? Look, let me ask you a very serious question. So when you were giving me your body, I was giving you wood. Was it wood that I was giving you? Because you're done with your so-called cultist boyfriend, you feel like I am the always available boyfriend you can run out. Why am I even arguing with you? Why am I even stressing myself over this matter? Look, leave my house. I am done with you. Leave my house.
Philip, are you joking or something? Leave your house. I'm not going any... You should pity me. Look at what this kid is.
Look, I don't want to be a man that beats a woman. For the last time, I am warning you. Leave this house.
Philip, I'm not going anywhere.
We are done. It's over between...
This is our house. I'm not... Hey! Hey!
Alright, fine. Come
This is our
Just
house.
wait for me. Just hold on. Wait for me.
I'm not going any...
Good morning, sir. Please, what are you looking for?
I want to see Eunice. Is she around?
No, she went to the hospital. Wait, but who are you?
When she comes back, tell her Philip came.
Who? Philip. Oh, so it's because of you my sister went to sell. Sister!
Look, young lady, you have to calm down. That's the reason why I came.
Yeah, see you're talking. If my sister comes out, let me see if you're going to live with this your car intact. Sister, come and see this person that you not go. Hey, sister! No! Come and stand and look for my sister. Look at your big head, your bembenyash. No, come and stand and talk. Come and look for you. Come and look for my sister. After making her intercede, look at your big head. Nonsense. Sister! Sister! No, don't go. Come. Come and look for my sister now.
I no just understand. He dey test. He say I must go suspension. Eh?
Why is he mean? He's supposed to understand with you now.
The way I dey see him, bless say the money wey him pay me, they take bail me, they pinch am for body. Oh. The money they prepare am for body. That's why I see him.
That's not true. He was angry because you left the shop. He asked you to do something, you did not do it. Rather, you ran off. That's why he's angry.
You like for that one. You know, to make I do anything. You just remind me, say, work day. Oh. Now I collect the spanner for your hand. At last I go return the spanner, but you help me beg the person, make him no vex. You understand? But the two way they vex me now, be say, the Eunice where I do am for. He say, you know, send me message you. You know, beg me, make I help him.
You see, it's your fault. I have told you to leave that stupid girl. All the time, you will be the one that is going to care for her. You will be the one. What is it? Eunice is an adult.
That's why they carry be that. Eh? Now the cross why they carry be that. Now the cross why they carry be that. And the cross, it don't too heavy. Eh? I still know, say, even Jesus Christ, when they give her that cross, may carry. By the time the back begin the pain her, nobody tell her. He bent down, and the people help and carry her. I don't know how I want to do this my own.
Now your cross be that. It's not your cross. It's the cross that you choose to carry. Yes. Stop quoting Bible you don't know.
He carry the cross, he back company, I come for like watch the film.
It's the cross you choose to carry. What is wrong with you? By the way, have you seen Fred? Because when Uncle Jumbo refused to bail you, Fred actually wanted to bail you.
See, I don't go tell him thank you as to take advice. I don't tell him thank you.
But Monica, see, Fred loves you very much. Just give him a chance, just little. Oh?
I use your name, beg you, beg. Carry to come off for road. I don't feel they argue. I'm a tan day. I never rub cream. And as you see me here, so I need a bleach. My hand and my armpit, not to match. It's black. I beg.
You know, your sister is really crazy. She didn't even let me utter a word and...
You said crazy. You said crazy. You are so lucky my elder sister did not even meet you there. What pushed you to come to my house after what just happened?
Love. I want you to know I am truly sorry about everything that happened.
Philip, love kill you there. Philip, love kill you there. You were nowhere to be found when your so-called girlfriend and her lesbian husband fought me and then called her useless police officer boyfriend to lock my sister up. But no problem, oh. Tell them that the war has just begun because there's going to be a return match.
There's
Trust
no
me.
need for a return match. Look, babe, there's no need for a return match.
There's need, oh.
You've already won this battle. I sent her out of my house. That proves that you're the only person in my heart right now. You already know her sexual perversion and involvement. That's what led to the quarrel, the fights we had while we were in school.
Anyway, all this thing you are just lamenting is none of my business. I don't care. I am so done with you. I cannot have anything to do with a man who cannot even stand his ground. Ew! I'm done with you. Don't worry, I will send you my bill to sort out. As for now, excuse me.
Look.
Don't.
Please.
Don't.
Please.
Touch me one more time and see if I'm not scream.
Eunice. I love you.
What is the meaning of all this rubbish? Are you not supposed to sit your ass down and prepare for your examinations?
Sis, hey, you will not believe this, so I was the best in our rehearsals today. Not only that, there is a modeling program coming up in Asaba. that I'll be going with Mike very soon. So I'm so happy.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you hear the rubbish you are vomiting out of that your mouth? Your WAEC and JAM is just by the corner. You were supposed to read intensively, but no. You are busy catwalking, deceiving yourself with all those lies Mike is feeding you with. It's a pity. Mary, do you even think about your future? Do you sit down to think about what you want to become in life? Don't you want to be great?
Sister, what is this now? What is this? I don't know why people don't want to face the reality of life. Tell me, how many professors can get up to 80 million naira in 3 months? Or even 60? 20 million naira is just the least anyone that wins in BB Nigeria goes home with.
I can see your mind is really made up with this BB Nigeria thing. Mary, what is wrong with you? Do you need me to slap the celebrity out of your life? Do you want to... Oh, so you want to be an illiterate? Okay, how will you be a celebrity without knowledge? Education is key. It is paramount. Leave all this fancy you are saying. It's not all that glitters that is gold, though.
See, sister, there is nothing to get about this, so. And that I am not reading for my jam and WAEC.
Okay. So, I can see your mind is made up. You want to be a celebrity?
Yes, now.
A superstar?
For that matter.
A superstar? Model? It's okay. Come close. Let me teach you how to catwalk. Come close now.
Come close.
Yes. Come now. I want to teach you how to catwalk. Come now.
Is it not here you're supposed to catwalk?
Come now. Come.
As what have been asked, make I just come thank you. That's why at the police station you try. You show the background. Even though before you come, my guy don't come pay the money, but
you don't have to thank me for carrying out my responsibility. No, you don't have to thank me. Yeah?
What do you talk? What do you be aware? Now what is your responsibility?
Monica, you know, it's been long I've been doing my best to get you to know how much I love you. But it seems you don't even have notice of that.
What do you talk? No, if you say you get sense, you're gonna say what you talk now nonsense. As me, so before I talk something, I always tell myself, I will tell myself will come agree with me, say make I talk that thing, before I talk. Me and myself will they agree before I talk something, come aside. You like person, you not tell the person. You can't begin to do things, make the person for notice say you like her. As the person not notice say you like her now, you can't begin still standing there now they talk, the yarn dust. What do you talk? What do you talk now?
Monica, the truth is that I love you. Honestly, I do. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Please now, Monica, my sweetheart.
Who be your sweetheart? Who your sweetheart?
Monica. Momo.
Hey, no call me that kind of name. You toast yourself first. If yourself agree to date you, then you come with me. Tell yourself first. When you yourself agree before you come with me. Tell yourself, say you like yourself, you want friend yourself. You come back.
Momo, at least hear me out.
Okay, what's up now?
What is it?
What's the meaning of this attitude now? I've been calling you. You're keeping deaf ear. What's it now?
See, I don't want trouble. I am the only daughter of my mother. My father is late. I am not in for any trouble. I don't want it. I am not even ready.
I don't understand. Where is all these ones coming from now? Are you trying to call me a trouble giver or something?
Wait, are you actually asking me? The last time I came to your house, I saw the look on Mary's face. That signifies a lot.
Baby, you're bigger than this. You're better than this. Mary. Do you think anything is going on between me and Mary? come on, you're bigger than this. Mary is just my client. A lucrative one I got. See, Mary and the people like her, okay, the people in the likes of Mary are actually the people bringing the money we spend in sponsoring this agency for people like you.
Are you sure? How does she get her money? She's a student.
I am dead sure. Of late now, her brother have been sponsoring her, making all he can, making sure she gets in BB Niger house this year. So that is it.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that you want to use someone else's money to push me in?
Is that your fear? Okay, fine. If that's your fear, I'll make it possible for two of you to.
Mike, I don't want trouble. Look how it's very easy in your mouth. You just follow your mouth. Very, very easy. I don't want trouble.
Okay, take a chill pill. I'll make it possible for two of you to get into the house. But there is no concrete agreement that she must be the one to make it in the house.
Please, I want to go and fetch water. Hold your wait. I want to go and fetch water.
Okay, wait. You come to the house.
Do it.
If you finish.
Aregish! My mother said to go and fetch water. I'm going to fetch the water.
I know. Like when you're done with the.
And I come back.
Are you coming?
Don't know how to fuck.
You let her come, eh? But okay, you come, Abby.
What in God's name are you doing here? You want to see the other side of me, right?
Baby, I'm very sorry. Please, what happened in the past won't repeat itself again. I promise. I'm so sorry.
How many times have you used that word and ended up doing worse than the first time? How many times? Look, let me tell you, it is over. I am done with you. Please, just leave here before I do something both of us will regret.
Baby, this is actually my first time coming to beg you. And you're turning me down? What has happened to us? Huh?
What has happened to us? The spell you cast on me is broken. Yes, it doesn't work anymore. Read my lips, it doesn't work anymore. Not after the numerous atrocities you committed against me and our Lord Jesus Christ. No!
Philip! So, it's because of that fool? Because of that bastard? That's why you're treating me like a piece of rag? Huh? No problem. I will go. No problem. We shall see.
We shall see nothing. Do you understand? We shall see nothing. For your information, let me tell you, I have lodged complaints at the police station. I've raised petition against you. So you better be careful with what you do and what you say. Do you understand?
Brenda, how else do you want me to pass the message? You said I never told her about my feelings, which I did, and this is what I got in return. So tell me, what else do you want me to do?
See, a woman has her own pride. Yes. And you don't expect her to fall for you on first approach.
But at least she should treat me with some little respect and acceptance. Huh? She should be civil a bit in the way she's talking to me. Not every time she'll be feeling as if I'm throwing myself at her. Huh? Like she's doing me a favor by not accepting me. It's not nice. What more now about me say akwala?
Fred, I can see that you're just a novice in this relationship thing. Yes. You're a novice the way you talk and all that. See, relationship is deeper than
providing for a woman, asking her if she has eaten. Relationship is a deep emotion, a very deep one. Yes.
How do you mean?
Exactly my point. By your response, it shows that you need tutorials. Even by your looks. By your looks and nature, you're every woman's dream. But love affair is deeper than that. Fred, please let me attend to customers. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Which kind Jones sin be this one serve? What they do you serve? Eh? What you do they for my hand? What make you they cry? What you they cry for? Okay, if this Philip guy throw away you come out for him crib, you don't fit pin with another guy for this villa. You don't get another guy when you fit pin with, or even for city. Why you do they cry they Jones anyhow? Wait, you don't fall in love. You love him that much.
Babe, I beg me. No be love matter. Eh? In this case now, no be love matter. I've never lost in any contest. And I'm not gonna lose my man for that riffraff. That is degrading me.
I beg, you they cap careless. As far as I'm concerned, I just matter you they cap careless. Where be this? Eh? You're just so confused. You don't know what you want. If this girl are your problem, make we mend down, make we fix am. But if she don't be your problem, send her Philip. Eh? Forget Philip. Enter city. He go miss you, can't they find you?
Hey, see, I don't hear what you talk. But me, I no go leave Philip for that girl.
Babe, no. I beg, hold on. Now hustler you be. What be this? You be hustler, babe. Maybe we enter city go hustle. I don't know what you they cry. You're just crying for nothing. You just inside water, so they enter your eye, pants they wear you. I don't they like this kind of thing. I don't they like camo. My mates they city they hustle, they make money. You just keep me for this villa. I don't broke. Where be this now?
No wahala. Since baby say you know they understand me, my own friend know they understand me. Make I begin they go.
I beg, wait. No they Jones. Okay. Sorry nah. I understand how you they feel. But understand from my own side nah. I don't broke for this villa. I need hustle. Okay. We go look for a way to make Philip love you. We go look for a way maybe we make him love you again the way he loved you before. If another one go make you happy.
Now waiting I want. Now waiting I want.
I don't hear. I will crack my brain. I look for a solution.
It is obvious that since you came back from work, something is eating you up.
Nothing is eating me up. I am fine.
You are fine and you haven't touched the food I kept for you. And I've noticed you've been sighing and hissing all along.
I said nothing is the matter with me. Can't someone have a sober reflection?
That is it. What kind of sober reflection are you having to the extent that you haven't even touched the food I kept for you? Or even removed the clothes you came back from work with? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
And what are you thinking? Eh? What are you thinking? What is on your mind? What are you thinking?
Brother, that is not the matter now. Let's forget about it. You just have to eat your food so you not starve yourself to death.
Don't even try to divert the conversation. What is on your mind? What are you thinking? Eh? What are you thinking?
My phone is ringing.
Your phone has started ringing. Leave me, oh. Leave me, oh. In fact.
The syrup was not pure, just a day. Remember, say, a patient dog, eat the fattest bone. Oh, All the good things that you see never come easy. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home.
Now why you don't want to pick your call? Now why you don't want to pick this call? I ask you. All your pepper body, you don't come down now. As you don't spoil something for everybody, your body don't come down. You know I'm picking call. You must pick in call. Oh yeah.
I don't have strength for your trouble this night. I don't have your strength at all.
Constant, yes, I talk to you. Why you dey waka dey go? Why you dey go? Don't want to be saying you dey craze. I go slap you. I go slap you now. Hey! Hey! I say make you stand here.
What is it again?
You don't spoil everything for everybody. You don't come at me for my working place. You don't scatter everywhere. Now you say you know how to follow man again, you must follow man. Okay, as you say you know where
Stop. Call this cycle more fight. I'm just trying to have this. Stop, please take it easy on now. Please.
I say call that cycle more fight. Where you go? Go, watch that cycle and come. Come.
Sister.
One more time. You want to fight today? I say come on. Go back by that time.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. You know how morning market used to be?
After waiting, boss man can't talk. Now that one did you mean now? No worry at all.
Well, he said you should resume work today.
You didn't put my leg! Don't be so! You didn't put my leg on!
No, I am not. I'm not. But listen, Monica, you have to be very, very careful. Be very, very careful not to commit any other offense again.
You know, you see, my problem be say, like truth I think. I like to put things straight. You know, so I'm not supposed to feel stand. You know, kill my sister for my neck. You understand? But I don't hear you. You never complain again.
Please. You should not complain again.
You complain again.
Please. Monica, you know I'm involved.
Yes. You know complain.
You promise,
I
Monica.
promise.
Okay. No problem.
Hey, you know that is your work. I rush to go workshop. I no go. You no go complain again. Don't worry.
Monica, make you no complain.
Hey, don't do.
Okay.
You don't do.
Okay.
Leave me alone. Where is my sister? I'll kill you.
What happened now? Hey! Oh yeah, come on.
Okay, look how you're very useless one. You need to check like what? Useless! Thunder fire you there! I'm over there. Look at the kind of woman I'm dragging him out. Eh? Wait, I will do what this game. See? Hey! Leave me alone!
Calm down now.
Calm down! Leave me alone! I'll kill you! Who died here? Who died here? Yeah, what? Ikajimaka? Calm down. Ikajimaka? I said you die here! Linda, where are you going to? Linda, come back! Come back to the house! Linda! Tell me, where did you learn that nonsense fighting over a man at this your tender age? I was in my honor. And she got pushed me. She pushed me out to the magna. So, this is the lesson you told me you are going for. Okay? So this is the lesson. Going after men. Eh?
Can what they give from today henceforth? Eh? No more lesson for you. Emergency lesson. No more lesson, no more extramural class for you, and no more lesson for modeling. Eh? You will follow me to the shop. Then when we get to the shop, you read your books.
Mama, how will I learn now if I don't go first?
You're still talking. You're still talking. You're not going to idiot. I'm not here. You're going to know. Hi. I'm paying lesson, paying everything. She's just following me. Eh? Men! She's not going after men. If I just see them, you go and come back and meet me here. I'm not fear. You go and come and meet me here. Hi! Eh? After they will say I did not train her. I did not train her.
You know it's not easy to throw away a good relationship of many years to the abyss. You self-check him now. Eh? I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Your trick is not going to work on me again. Do you understand me? All of your tricks none of them will work on me again. Are you done with your numerous boyfriends? You think I don't know? You should go back to them. Your police village boyfriend, you can go back to them. Leave me alone. No. I'm done.
No, baby. No. This is not you talking. I'm sure that evil girl has bewitched you.
Very well.
What?
My love.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So this prostitute could not wait to take my place?
Hey, let me warn you. How dare you? How dare you call my fiancé names?